You will quickly learn how to mute audio in CapCut desktop app. Maybe you want to mute the audio in a clip or in the lengthy video. Let's just get right into it.
So here am I on my CapCut. So drag the video and drop in the timeline area. So I will take my cursor to the video, press and hold on the left button of my mouse and drag and drop. Now we want to reduce the volume, but let's play it first. Okay, we want to mute it, but let's play it first.
But mobile for it to stop appearing.
So you can see the audio is there, but we want to stop the audio from sounding. So click on the clip that you want to mute the audio. Then click on this audio tab. So once you click on this clip, you will see audio tab here. So click on that and you will see this volume level here. It is at 0.00 dB, which is decibel. So take your cursor here and then drag this line to the lowest. Then let's play to see if we have an audio here. You can see no audio is playing right now.
If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.